Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the display's native resolution. Open Settings and note the exact numbers, because matching resolution prevents stretching. Once done, pick a true 4K image file at 3840 x 2160 stored locally. This keeps scaling accurate and avoids compression artifacts. Make sure the file type is PNG or a high-quality JPG and place it in an easy folder. This first step saves time later, so you won't chase blurry output. Now you apply the image. Right-click the desktop and open Personalize, then Background. Browse to the local 4K file and select it. Use Fill when the aspect matches, or Center when you prefer no cropping. This preserves detail. For multi-monitor setups, decide whether to set the image per display or span it across monitors in display settings, because stretching across different resolutions can blur the image. Double-check scaling and sign out or restart if the preview looks off. Finish by confirming display scaling is at 100% or the OS recommended native value. Incorrect scale often causes softness. If the wallpaper still appears blurry, replace it with the original 4K source and clear any cached thumbnails or reset the theme to default, because cached compressed versions can persist. Finally, update your GPU drivers and restart the machine if colors or scaling behave oddly. This addresses rendering bugs. If problems continue, try setting the image as a lock screen wallpaper to isolate system versus app issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.